Seattle. Have a nice little air hand dryer. I see a white Prius right there. So, it's fantastic news. It'd be good for you. There, huh?
Crazy. I don't know. Oh, he's doing high. Wear mags back. Oh, really? Oh, go. Everybody don't want.
Whew. So, the time has finally come, a month later, and we're going to go pick up the car. I have to take a train down to Portland. So, haven't been on a train since about 2016 or 15 in New York or Philadelphia. So, let's check it out. Let's go to the train station. This is a gorgeous train station. Definitely different from the ones in the Northeast, or at least in Philadelphia, where it's a bit more wooden. This is like, I don't know if it's real marble, but it's marble in here. It's just pretty legit. Yeah. There are not many options of where you're going. You're going to Oregon, Washington, all the way to California, or to Oregon. So, not many options. I also think I'm the only person filming in here, or the only person who doesn't have like a large piece of luggage. They're probably all going on cool adventures or cool places. I'm going to go spend $500, $600 in my car, out of car purgatory. So, not as fun, but maybe I'll bring back some donuts for Natasha. We'll see. Yeah, I believe this is the track, so we're going to gate 7, and we're going to try to pick a seat and not piss off people. We're going to take them off next to me. I must say, this is pretty chill. We don't travel much, so it's pretty chill. It's like we're going on a trip somewhere far away, but we're on the train. Probably go check out that snack car in a little bit, get some bananas and overpriced snacks. We're being told we can't smoke on the train, which is smart, and you have to wear your shoes, so dirty ass people, put your shoes on.
Also, ladies and gentlemen,
Anyway, time to get down to work. Yeah, work time, baby. Time to check the tickets.
That big car is that way for Washington?
How's it going today? Alright, I got you going all the way to Portland.
We are making our first stop in Tequila, Washington. Not that far from Seattle. I'll probably go check out the snack cart pretty soon because I need sugar and snack stuff, so we're getting there. It's pretty smooth and quiet. Not as scenic as these European trains that are flying by. I'm pretty much seeing industrial waste and tracks. Not really exciting. Going through the cars, pretty cool. Snack car. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, this is cool. Snack car. Ooh. Snack bar time, pretty exciting. Let's get some snacks. Yeah, we're going with salted peanuts and water. It's like the saddest meal, but maybe the healthiest, right? You don't have bananas here, do you? No bananas, no fruit? Okay. Alright, shouldn't stand here at all. Let's go on the train here. Well, the sun is rising and we're going past some farms. Although now it's a football stadium. But still a gorgeous view of, well, much better view than earlier where it was only tracks and industrial waste. I hope you're all enjoying this fantastic view of the waterfront. I think that view is gorgeous. It's spectacular. Gorgeous view. Right under the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. Well, I'll admit my first impressions were a bit incorrect as we only drove through the industrial railroad land. This view has been gorgeous ever since. I don't know which parts to not show and which parts to show. It's spectacular, there's colors. If you ever get the chance, take this train, the Cascades, down the Washington, Oregon coast. You'll be delighted. You'll love it. Well, hello, we're in the bathroom looking at the mirror right now. Hello. Wanted to show you all what the Amtrak bathroom looks like, pretty fancy. Have a nice little air hand dryer, tiny little sink, an outlet to plug stuff in, the hole where all your good stuff goes, covers, the door to lock, and a coat hook. Maybe you want to hang some coats, I guess? I don't know. But yeah, let's enjoy the bathroom while the train's getting closer to Portland. Hopefully next stop will be the Portland train station. Thank you. All right. We're going. We are in Portland, Oregon. We made it. Not like we wouldn't make it, but 3 hours. Lots of trains. All right. How do we get to this subway? I mean, the Uber. Oh wow, this is a gorgeous station. A bit different. It's doesn't have the white walls of the one in Seattle, but gorgeous station. Let's get to the Uber. Wow, that's fantastic. Whew. Alrighty. I'm looking for the Uber. It's a white Prius. Surprising, right? It's a Prius. I see a white Prius right there. It's probably not mine. No, of course not. We are at the scene of the crime. Not crime, where the car's dropped off. Courtesy Ford. Let's go in and pick up the car, hopefully, and not cause trouble, have a good time, and then get donuts. Yes! On the hunt. Maybe they'll give me a new one. We'll see. They're probably like, why is he filming? Is he here to get us? No, I'm not here to get them in trouble. Just filming my journey down here. All right, here we go. Service check-in. No, thank you for your business. Pretty exciting. This is the scene of the crime where the car was dropped off. So it was right there, and I dropped the key off behind me. Now hopefully they'll drop the car off to me. It's paid for, $550 plus. Never fun, but it is what it is. And hopefully they'll have both keys. Otherwise, I can't drive back to Seattle, and that ain't gonna be fun. All right, the car's back. It's been a month, but the car's back. So it's fantastic news. And I can drive and spend more money on gas and insurance, all those good things. The car's back. All is well. It took a month, and hope you've enjoyed this series. And you missed all my calls to dealership every day, but it's been great. Time to get some donuts. All right. Hey, we're in Portland in the Beaumont neighborhood, I think. Or no, it says Cully. I don't know. It's a neighborhood. And I'm gonna get some donuts. There's a line down there. I assume that's where I'm going, so it kind of stinks. Let's go do this. We're at Pip's Donuts apparently, and there's a line. So let's see how long this line's gonna be. Hopefully they're not out of donuts and we can get some things. People ordering 20 donuts. What are they doing with 20 donuts? Getting there. I hear a lot of good praise in line. So, hello friends, welcome inside. This looks amazing. They got cinnamon sugar, raw honey and sea salt, Nutella and sea salt, candied bacon maple not for me, the vegetarian, wildberry blue rose, and they're apparently known for these little tiny donuts, and we'll get closer to that when we can. But they're tiny donuts.
Oh, they're fun. My
They're
friend made
teeny, they're all that small? All that tiny?
They're like ever so slightly
Okay.
in those, but like pretty much.
That is heavenly, okay.
Right. I think donuts, which is $7.95.
Okay. That is so cool. You get 12 free donuts on your birthday. That's amazing. I missed my birthday by a couple months. Not right. The moment of truth. The line was not that long at all. Oh yeah, these look like little poppers. I like that a lot.
But they're all really good.
Look at those. Get me some better light here. There we go. Wow, that's amazing looking. All right, so you know we hit the big time when we're doing that like top of car donut eating. This looks like these honey one they gave me. Brown, oh my God, it's dripping honey. Oh my gosh, you can't see that. It's just like dripping honey. Oh, that can't be good for you. Here, hon. That's pretty damn good. Okay. Crispy. A bit of honey in there. That's good. Pip's Donuts, you're the best. So, bye-bye from Portland. I can see why you'd maybe want to buy like 40 of these at once. And we'll catch you on the next time we're exploring. Next time with my wife, Natasha, we'll be back. I got pizza. So we thought we were done, but I got pizza instead. It looks really good. So it looks phenomenal. I parked next to it, so thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too, man. Vegetarian delight right there. Extra fuel for the road. All right. Finally back to Seattle. Uh-oh, nose out. Shit. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Looks really good.